So you are thinking about moving to the Dallas area, but you don't want to pay the big prices to live in Dallas or a place like Frisco or even Prosper or Salina. Well, today we're going to take you on a tour of a house here in Denton. It's listed for under $360,000. Not only that, but we're also going to show you what it's like to live in this great city of Denton that is just north of the Dallas-Fort Worth area. I am Jennifer Fowler, and along with my husband and cameraman Brandon, we run Fowler Realty Team here in the North Texas area, and we have people just like you reaching out to us all the time looking to make a move to the Dallas area. We absolutely love it. So if that's you and you're looking to move in 9 days or 9 months, make sure you give us a call, shoot us a text, or send us an email. All the info is in the description below. All right, so I said I was going to take you on a tour of a home that's listed here in Denton, Texas, and then also show you what it's like to live in Denton. So let's get to it right now. This home was built in 2020 and is located in the North Denton area. It's also located close to Loop 288, which gets you on the major highway here that runs through Denton and Dallas, which is called I-35. So not far from that as well. So it's really in a great location. This house is a 4-bedroom house, 2 bathrooms, 1903 square feet, listed for under $360,000. Before we head into the kitchen and the living room, I wanted to show you this right here. Brandon, you want to turn around and show them? This is a custom built-in hall tree with a bench. So one thing I like about this house that the homeowners chose to do is a lot of times in new construction homes don't come with very much character, especially new construction homes that are very budget friendly. So you're gonna have to add a little bit of character on your own if that's the kind of house that you want. And they chose to do that here with this beautiful custom built-in hall tree that's right off the front door. So as you're coming in, backpacks, hoodies, coats, yes, we need coats here in North Texas, can go right here. So I love that. You can put baskets up there as well. So great for organizing. But let's go ahead and head into the kitchen and the living room. So as we're walking along, you might notice these things on the cabinets. No, the builder did not put them there. They have a toddler, so that is for safety. So if you see these on the cabinets, just know that's not normal. One thing I love about this kitchen is how spacious and wide this area is. I also like the color of the cabinets. They're not dark brown, they're not gray. They're kind of in between, so easy to keep clean. I like the black hardware that's on these cabinets. So I like that color. It's a little bit different, something you don't see very often. And I know this isn't part of the house, but I just have to point out how cute this pink KitchenAid mixer is. I absolutely love that. Anyway, so this kitchen, not only do you have this space right here, but off to the side, you've got a great space for storage. You can put your coffee bar here. You can really do anything with this. This would be really nice for entertaining. You could put your food here, charcuterie board, so that would be really nice. And I love the granite countertops throughout this kitchen as well. All right, head on over with me to the dining area. So in this house, it is very open concept. So you've got your kitchen and your dining room and then your living room. Plenty of space here for a good sized dining table. This one seats 6, but you could probably get a little bit more because this is a lot of space in this area. Another thing I like about this area is you've got 3 windows on this wall, and then you also have the back door that has a window on it, so it's letting in a lot of natural light. And I don't know if you can tell from the video, but this living room is very spacious. This sectional is probably one of the biggest sectionals I have ever seen. It is a large sectional and it fits very comfortably in this space. And because these owners have some really cute puppy dogs, they chose to have this custom. It's not built in, it is custom built. So they have dog crates in here. I think that's really a genius idea, but I wanted to show you that because it is really big. This is very long and very big, and it's not taking up the entire space because this living room is just so big. They also chose to change out the fans in every room. So all these ceiling fans are just better quality ceiling fan, and it really moves the air around a lot in this space. You are going to love this spacious master bathroom and what the homeowners have done to this shower in particular. So normally in these homes in this neighborhood, this is going to be a shower. It's going to be, I don't know, about right here. And then this area is going to be open shelving from the floor to the ceiling, kind of like an open linen closet. But what they did here is they took that closet out, they completely redid the shower, new tile, obviously a new shower head, and then a wand as well. And so now you have this amazing walk around shower with the niche in here. I like that accent, that looks really great. Place for you to put your shampoo, everything like that. And then of course, the bench, that's great for shaving your legs or whatever you need to do in the shower, but love what the homeowners did here with this great, amazing shower. And then of course over here you have your toilet room. You've got a good sized walk-in master closet as well. But what I do love about this patio is that the homeowners have done an extension. So there's a whole extended patio area here that's great for entertaining and great for your kids to play on. So like I said, this home in Denton is a 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom home. One of the bedrooms could easily be a home office. That one is located in the front of the house. And then back here, you've got 2 bedrooms, the laundry room and the bathroom. And on the other side of the house, you have the master bedroom. What I like about this bathroom is the open shelving here to keep everything organized.
We're here at our alma mater, Denton High School. This campus was opened last year in the fall of 2022. And as you can see, it is an absolutely beautiful campus, freshly updated. We moved out of the old Denton High School campus that was built in
1957 is when the most recent Denton High School was built. They were in that building for 65 years. Prior to that, they were in a building from 1910, so 1910 to 1957, 1957 to 2022.
Right.
But actually,
Yeah.
Denton High School was founded in 1884, I believe. So Denton High School is obviously, it's a staple of Denton. We're alma maters. We have a lot of family. Grandmother, graduated from Denton High School. My parents, or my dad, your parents, we have a lot. Denton High School is really an icon of Denton, Texas.
Denton ISD plays a vital role in the education of its students. With a commitment to academic excellence and diverse extracurricular activities, Denton ISD provides a well-rounded education to its students. Denton High School is the district's oldest high school. It has a long-standing tradition of academic achievement and community involvement. It is well known for its advanced placement or AP courses and a renowned international baccalaureate program. Denton High School offers a vibrant theater arts program, a strong concert band, jazz band, and the only school with a mariachi band. Gaia High School is celebrated for its outstanding athletic programs. Home to state champion football teams and various other athletic achievements, Gaia High has a strong emphasis on sports. But beyond athletics, it also offers a robust academic curriculum, including advanced courses and opportunities for students to excel academically. Ryan High School is known for its emphasis on fine arts and career and technical education. The school has a thriving theater and arts program, providing students with opportunities to explore their creative talents. Ryan High offers a variety of career-focused courses and certifications, preparing students for future success in their chosen fields. Braswell High School is the newest addition to Denton ISD high schools and is recognized for its modern facilities and innovative approach to education. With a focus on technology and STEM, science, technology, engineering, and mathematics programs, Braswell High prepares students for the ever-evolving demands of the 21st century workforce. LaGrone Academy is very unique to Denton ISD. It provides juniors and seniors with professional training and pre-college courses. Students have the opportunity to earn university or community college credit and/or necessary preparation to attain certification as licenses in certain technical fields. A few of the programs that are offered at LaGrone Academy are architecture, arts and audio video, automotive, cosmetology, culinary arts, education, fire academy and EMT, law and public safety, health science, IT or Cisco, STEM, which is science, technology, engineering, and mathematics, and welding. In short, Denton ISD provides a diverse range of high school experiences to cater to the interests and aspirations of its many students.
Denton explained a little bit. Denton population is about 140,000. Median home price in Denton is just under 390,000. I've grown up in Denton my entire life, and I can remember when the population sign read 60,000. And just in the last couple of years, I've seen those signs hit 140, and it just blows my mind how fast Denton has grown as we've grown up.
Yes, used to, there was one high school when we were going to high school in the 90s. We had one high school, and now there are 4 high schools. You've got Denton High School, Ryan High School, Geyer, and Braswell High School. And we also have Fred Moore High School. Another big draw to Denton are our major universities. We have the University of North Texas, otherwise known as UNT, and we have Texas Women's University, otherwise known as TWU. We've also got North Central Texas College, which is our community college. How many students would you say? About 60,000 students?
Yeah.
Don't let that scare you. Denton is not, it is a college town, but it's not one of those college towns only focus is on the universities. It is definitely a very, very family-friendly city. A lot of students that come in from out of Denton that attend UNT and TWU stay here. That's very common for people to go to college here and love the city so much that this is just where they end up, starting their life as an adult.
The University of North Texas is known for its music education. It's got a world-class faculty and state-of-the-art facilities where students can pursue degrees in music education to prepare themselves for careers as music teachers. It's also known for its business administration. UNT's College of Business offers a wide range of business degrees, including a top-ranked MBA program. Computer science is also very popular at UNT. UNT's College of Engineering is known for its computer science program, providing students with the skills needed for the ever-evolving tech industry. Hands-on experience and research opportunities abound at UNT with its computer science program. UNT is in a great location in Denton, near the Dallas-Fort Worth Metroplex, which offers students numerous internship and job opportunities in this thriving job market. It also boasts a very diverse student body. UNT is known for its diverse and vibrant campus life with over 400 student organizations, including sports, clubs, and cultural events that keep students engaged and connected. UNT has a vibrant, creative, and inclusive campus culture. The Mean Green pride themselves on their artistic community with many students participating in music, art, and theater. Sports are a big deal too here at UNT, with football games and other sporting events bringing the community together. UNT is also known for its strong alumni connections, which provide graduates with valuable resources to enter into their careers. TWU's College of Nursing is renowned for its top-notch nursing programs. Graduates are highly sought after in the healthcare industry, and the university's modern facilities provide an excellent learning environment. TWU's dental hygiene program is one of the best in the nation. Students receive hands-on training and are prepared for successful careers in oral health care. TWU also has an amazing occupational therapy program. Texas Women's University has a strong emphasis on health sciences, making it an excellent choice for students pursuing careers in healthcare related fields. It also has smaller class sizes. TWU offers a more personalized learning experience, allowing students to build close relationships with their professors and their classmates. And once again, TWU has a strong alumni network just like UNT does, which is supportive and well connected and offers valuable resources when students graduate and go into their careers. TWU is known for its commitment to diversity and equity, creating a supportive environment for all students. Not only do we have University of North Texas and Texas Women's University, but Denton also offers North Central Texas College, otherwise known as NCTC. NCTC offers a wide range of general education courses that are transferable to UNT and TWU. They have dedicated academic advisors who assist students in selecting courses that align with their transfer goals. You can get a degree in agriculture and ranch management, culinary arts, and emergency medical services, just to name a few. One of the benefits of starting at NCTC is its affordability. You can take the courses that you need to before transferring to UNT or TWU to pursue your major coursework there. NCTC also offers a range of scheduling options, including online courses, evening classes, and part-time options, catering to students with diverse needs and schedules.
We are Brandon and Jennifer Fowler, and together we run Fowler Realty Team here in the North Texas area.
And we have people just like you reaching out to us all the time, looking to make a move to the North Texas area, and we absolutely love it. So if that's you and you're looking to move in 9 days or 9 months, give us a call, shoot us a text, send us an email. All that information is in the description below. And if this is your first time to our channel, make sure you like, subscribe, tap the bell for notifications so you can be the first to know everything there is to know about living in the North Texas area.
We put out videos like this every week, so go back and look some of our past videos, and we'll see you on the next one.